This is our first grade colorful rainbow lesson. Now that you have practiced mixing colors, you can use your palette page and mix as many colors as you want, and you're going to create your own unique rainbow. So mix colors that you really like, and you're going to paint your rainbow just by painting arches. Remember, as you paint, load your brush really well and press down a little bit so you can get a nice thick arch or line to your rainbow. Give your rainbow time to dry, and then you're going to use your crayons to add a layer of patterns. Remember, patterns repeat, so you can use dots and lines to create patterns to add to your rainbow. And there you have it, our unique rainbow. I can't wait to see yours.